Welcome to our channel Sabka Policy. Today I will show you how to create a policy online in Star Health portal. So let us start with the login process. So this is the URL which we need to use for login into the Star Health. So let us take this URL and go here. So we will just hit it enter. We will be able to see the user ID and enter password option. So just you enter the user ID, whatever the user ID you have, and then the password. And then login. Now after login we have an option of Atom create policy. Click on this. So once you click on this, you will be having different product in the list. So we have the product Star Comprehensive Insurance, Family Health Optima, Star Health Cash. So let us take the one of the policy. So here you see that there are the three options. One option is branch assisted purchase, so that will be assisted by the branch. Second is the customer purchase, where the customer can purchase the policy. And then third one is the agent assisted purchase, where agent will fill all the detail and will send the link to the customer. Now if I click on the customer purchase, so in the customer purchase we just need to enter the information. That information will be a email ID, mobile number, and the customer will receive the information, and customer can fill that information from their end. So let me take you to the customer purchase link first, and then we will talk on the agent assisted purchase. So let us click on this. Once I click on this, we have a customer name, customer phone number, customer email ID, and then choose the payment method, how the customer will pay the amount. So it will be email, it will be check, and whether it is looking for floater or individual, you have to fill this information here. And then how you want the customer to receive the link. So either you can select email or SMS. Now here we will not be using the customer purchase, we will be using the agent assisted purchase. So let us click on agent assisted purchase. Let me enter the name. So here and then phone number, and then email ID. Now choose the payment method, online, cash or check, plan for individual. I will just click the individual, then create. Once I click on the create, there it will take me to the another page where we have a information start date. So it will be the today's date, and end date will be selected automatically. Policy for the fresh policy or portability. So I will be taking the fresh policy, and then period will be the 1 year. Click on the next. We have an option of name, and then again we have the date of birth. So we have to select the date of birth as per our ID proof. So let us go to the ID proof and check what is the date on the ID proof, because you will need that date to be matched with the ID proof while getting claim. So let us take this, and then mobile number, and this will be the as it is. And what will be the business? So select the business, professional doctor, professional engineer. Annual income, you can put the annual income whatever we have. Then GST type if you want, if keep it, otherwise leave it blank. Then the Aadhaar 4-digit number. So Aadhaar 4-digit number will be something which will be used for the verification when you are getting admitted in a hospital. Do you have the PAN card? If you have the PAN card, enter the PAN card. If you don't have the PAN card, you just select no, and for that you have to upload the upload some information in the section. So let us enter the PAN card here. Now EIA number, do you have a EIA number? So if you are purchasing the new policy, it will be no. Do you have any other health insurance? No. Then the communication address, so let us take it blank. Anything, pin code, and then it will take all the information here. Then select the residential address, same as a communication address. Then we have a option, please choose yes in case of BPL family. Let us select no. Then the bank detail, it is not mandatory, but if you want to keep, you can put the detail here. And then nominee detail, so in the nominee let us take something, and the age let us take it 28, and relationship is the son, and percentage of a claim is 100%. Then click next. PIN number is required, so you have to enter the valid PIN number. Okay, let us click next. So once you click the next, you have a option of relationship with a purposer. So here I will select self, and the name, date of birth, gender male, height I have to put in the centimeter, then weight, whatever the weight we have, you have to put that, or whatever the customer weight is there, you have to put that information. And then sum insured, what is the sum insured you are looking for? If it is 5 lakh, you can select 5 lakh, 10 lakh, whatever the customer required. Health history, do you have any health problem? No. Personal accident, do you have any occupation required to engage in a manual labor? No. Do you engage in a or propose to engage in activity sport which hazardous? No. Then personal accidental cover, it is already covered in this policy, so click the next. So this is the amount which need to be paid. So self cover, everything is written here, 8200. Now you have the option of all the detail which are available here. You can click save and send to the customer. So once you click on the save and send to the customer will receive the link where they can pay the amount, and once they pay the amount, the policy will be created. So that's all in creating a new policy. Thanks for watching my video. If you like our video, please provide the comment and share feedback, and we would be happy to listen from you in case of any improvement. Thank you again for watching our video, and please subscribe. Thank you.